Hi guys! Listen to a story with me today, and the leading actor of the story is this beautiful and full of retro sense table. Come and have a look! This combination of green and wood grain is like desert and oasis in harmony. This is the whole wood grain of the long campaign. Every detail reveals the master's intentions. The finish complements the wood grain. With our retro style chair and bookcase, you can taste the story through the time in this space. And this retro story, from design to production, every link has proved our efforts. And the master of the workshop, with superb technology, gives us the retro such a beautiful space. Retro is not only a style, but also a feeling. This retro style desk is also looking forward to writing story with you.